Hey guys, what is up? David Gaming back with another video. Today's video I have some chips and nuts. I have my microwave. Toss chicken in there. Close it. Put it for 30 seconds. I was wondering for like 5 freaking seconds. Soup being that's hot. Oh, guys, I don't encourage you to try this at home. Oh, it's not that hot. It's pretty hot. Look at a Dorito. This is not really that. Oh my god, I want to open this up, but I'm afraid it'll rip. Ew, it's like bubbly. It makes me feel all weird. Bro, there's a Dorito in here! Bro! Pretty good. I'm gonna put this in some water. Oh my god, this is hard. That's fudge now. Whew. Oh my god. This is awesome. You can still sort of read it. Guys. Oh my god. Rock. This is hard as rock. Oh, it's not, I know. Well, if you enjoyed this, please leave a like and subscribe. And I hope you enjoyed it. Share it with your friends. And remember, this is David Gaming. Peace out.